Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles on the It Takes Two game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up It Takes Two on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, in order to enable or disable subtitles, go ahead and click on Options. Then from the Options page, you will need to go into Game Options. Now within this, inside Accessibility, you can find your subtitles. You can either toggle it on or off, and if you choose to have it on, you can also enable or disable closed captioning, as well as the subtitle background. Choose your desired setting, and then click on Apply Settings in order to save your controls. After this, you can go back and continue to play your game with your chosen subtitle settings. You may change this at any point of time by going back into Game Options, or even from the Accessibility option right from the homepage. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable subtitles on the It Takes Two game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.